My name is Rob Smith. I want to welcome you to the Fitzgerald Automotive family today. Please welcome Dottie Fitzgerald.
This year, we saw the article that John Kelly wrote about Milo, and I thought, rescues. A rescue dog rescues a person. Well, it turns out Milo was rescued here at one of our events. And then there was another article about Hank the cat. Miss Dolores is the mom of Hank the cat.
And at that point, when I looked up finally and saw him, and I realized this is a problem. This friend said, call Humane Rescue Alliance. Once you call Humane Rescue Alliance, they're there for the duration. So they never give up. Because of all the help of all of you in here, he is down today.
And as soon as I open my door, Miles right there, and he storms out of the door. So he goes to my neighbor's house, and he's barking and just sniffing, and he starts to scratch at her screen door, and he's trying to get, into the house. And I was like, yeah, I heard like a really faint voice say, help, help. And it was coming from the house. And Milo just kept on scratching at the door. So we go to the house a little closer to the front door, we knock, and the screams get louder. And so it happened to be Miss Starr, and she had fallen, in her bathroom. Nobody else could hear her scream but Milo. So we called the fire department. We stayed there until they got her up and out of the bathroom. You don't understand how big this thing is, how dangerous it was for Miss Starr to have been on the floor like that. If nobody heard her, it could have been a very, painful death for her. Milo has definitely been a huge blessing to my life, and even to Miss Starr as well. So that's the story of what happened.